Respondent number 7, my lord.
All right.
My lord.
I'm for appearing for respondent number 6.
My lord.
Your parents have come.
Yes, my lord. Hopefully he might be knowing, madam.
My lord, he is present in the court.
What do you mean to say?
But I do not know personally.
It's not a matter of personal presence. Your mother and father has filed writ petition
Yes,
against you.
yes, madam. Yes, madam.
And did you file the wakalatnama?
Yes, my lord. Already in department.
All right. Are you
number 7?
7 is here.
My lord.
Are,
Husband and wife.
husband and wife represented by different councils.
My lord.
All right. Yes.
My lord, this is the case where the petitioner, who is the absolute owner of the property in question, my lord.
Who is owner? Petitioner?
Petitioners are the property in question, the self-acquired property of the petitioner number 1, my lord. The petition, my lord.
All right.
My lord.
I'm for appearing for respondent number 6.
My lord.
Your parents have come.
Yes, my lord. Hopefully he might be knowing, madam.
My lord, he is present in the court.
What do you mean to say?
But I do not know personally.
No. It's not a matter of personal presence. Your mother and father has filed writ petition against you.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
And did you file the wakalatnama?
Yes, my lord. Already in department.
All right. Are you
number 7?
7 is here.
My lord.
7 and 6 are
Husband and wife.
husband and wife represented by different councils.
My lord.
All right. Yes.
My lord, this is the case where the petitioner, who is the absolute owner of the property in question, my lord.
Who is owner? Petitioner?
Petitioners are the property in question, the self-acquired property of the petitioner number 1, my lord. The petitioner is a retired person, my lord, aged about 75 and 62, my lord. They have been ousted from their own property by at the hand of the private respondent, my lord. And both, my lord. They have taken shelter in Kolkata, my lord, since the last July 2023, my lord. And they are residing in a tenanted premises, my lord. No maintenance is being given by the private respondents.
Go before the maintenance tribunal. There is
My lord, I have approached the maintenance tribunal, but
No
they have
application
refused, my lord. I have stated in the para number 27, my lord.
Application annex that they have.
Wait. Please wait.
Kindly come to the para
You
number
are
27, my lord.
fighting your father.
No, not at all.
And
The
your
case is-
mother.
case is
My lord.
otherwise, my lord.
Case is otherwise. Let me see.
I have stated para
How many
number
children do you have?
only 2, my lord.
Only 2.
My lord.
Who's the other one?
Other one is also an advocate practicing in this court, my lord. Tanmay Mukherjee, my lord.
All right.
Majumdar, I'm sorry. Tanmay Majumdar,
Yes.
my lord. If 75 years old person cannot be run from pillar to post for ends of the justice, where the property is his self-acquired property, my lord.
The learned advocate, who is the son of the petitioner,
My lord.
he has not been made a party. And is the son looking after the father?
My lord. He
That
is taking,
son is-
my lord, in Kolkata, my lord, he is taking care of the mother and father, both, my lord.
And is there a difference between the two brothers?
My lord, he reside in Kolkata and the petition number 6 reside in the Uttar Dinajpur, my lord.
Yes, there is a fight between the two brothers.
No, my lord.
No fight.
No,
All right.
my lord. The only prayer, my lord, I want to restore to enter into my property, my lord, and I have given notice to the private respondent number 6 to vacate my property, my lord, and so that I can enjoy my property till the rest of my life, my lord. The notice is annexed at page number 39, my lord. Till date, my lord, my position, my own property.
Where is the order of the tribunal?
Tribunal have not entertained the application, my lord. That has
Where
been
is your application?
stated at page number 27, my lord.
Still,
They have-
show me some
they have
document. Why
refused-
the
They
tribunal?
have refused to accept the application, my lord.
Maybe it was not informed. That is the reason it has been refused.
I have made a representation before the DM, my lord. Concern,
Not the representation.
my lord.
You have to make a formal application.
Kindly
Where
come to
is
the
that?
page number 27, para number 27, my lord.
Paragraph number 27 will not do. Yes, son.
I am suffering from lumbar spine disease since for last 26 years.
What is your
Cannot-
age now?
My age 42 years. I am an
42.
advocate working at Raigad and
You
living
both
in
the sons are advocate.
yes, my lord. Both the
All
sons,
right.
and then there is no good relation. What has been submitted, good
Yeah, that
relation,
I can understand.
not developed. And this is a medical certificate.
No, I understand. Now what has happened? You have driven out your father.
That is not at all because I am living in only 10 by 10 foot room.
How many rooms are there?
Not a rooms. My lord, I am showing the plan, the extent of what I am possessing.
Plan also you have.
Yes, my lord.
Everything is
Considerable amount
in
of money
their
has been
custody, my lord.
invested while construction of the house even.
They have immensely tortured me, my lord, and FIR have been lodged against their private respondent, my lord.
No sour relation as such was there. I have not even lodged a case even against my parents because maybe some misunderstanding, it will end in a good relationship. I want that always.
So let the father go over there and reside
Yes,
in the
madam.
house.
No objection at all. No objection.
But the petitioner do not want to keep them in their property, my lord, and the private respondent cannot be allowed to be in position out of the will of the parents, my lord, with the absolute owner of the property, my lord.
No such application is forthcoming, no annexure is made. Whether at all such application has been made,
The property is the father's property.
Yes,
There
ma'am.
is no doubt.
no doubt, no doubt.
Now, maybe for some reason, I do not want to specify the reason. I can understand the reason. The father does not want the son and the daughter-in-law to stay over there.
I will little child of 2.5 years at present.
You are an advocate.
Yes, ma'am.
Find out a place for yourself and let the father live in peace.
Grateful, my lord.
My lord, then in that case, my lord, I have also such certain contentions, my lord. Let it be relegated because I've been fortified with 2 orders of the coordinate bench where the matter has been relegated to civil court for adjudication for vacating of the premises. It cannot be done by the writ court.
My lord, kindly come to
One
the
of the
section 27, my lord.
I am not looking into that.
My lord, 27 bar the civil court, my lord.
Property is the father's property.
Yes, my lord.
He
But
has
I have
the
invested
right.
certain amount while construction of the property. That is
He
all.
has the right. When was the property constructed? When was the structure? Plan is of the year. Plan is of the year.
The property has been developed by
When?
the petitioners itself, my lord.
When?
So that maybe take instruction of কোথায় গেল?
My lord, I humbly
You
Then
want
level.
a share in the property because you invested for construction.
Yes, my lord.
What about the father's investment upon you for
I am
your
not
education
denying-
and the
I
studies
am not
and
denying the
everything?
fact. Let us all live together, my lord. Let us
Live
all live
together.
together.
The father is not willing to stay.
In that case, my lord.
Yes. Then in that case, find out an alternative accommodation for yourself.
please.
And don't insist the court to pass an order of eviction.
My lord,
My
I
lord,
am the
kindly-
respondent number 7, the
Kindly,
wife of the respondent number 6. My lord, I am a Muslim lady. I am also an advocate by profession. My lord, the dispute actually stemmed from when I got married with the respondent number 6. Though they were present in the marriage, but after that they couldn't accept me. I moved heaven and earth. I did whatever I could to please them, my lord. And they are saying that they were assaulted, my lord. Kindly have a look, see who was being
this is
assaulted.
not the issue.
I have
Don't show. Don't
they
show.
kicked
It.
me on- I had a cesarean operation. At the point of stitch, they kicked me repeatedly, my lord.
My lord,
I
they
have
are-
It's better-
medical documents.
It
I did
is
not
better
lodge a-
not to stay with these people who kicks you in such manner. It is
My-
better you move out for your personal safety,
My lord, I have a
for your health.
I have a small child. Where
So
will I
what?
go at this point of time?
Both are advocates. You cannot find an alternative accommodation
We
for
are senior
yourself.
advocates, my lord. We are just enrolled into the bar. We have been practicing. We do not have that kind of
You have been
uh,
enrolled in
my lord,
2016.
excellence
You
to-
have to find out something for yourself.
My lord, we will try. Of course, we can try. But provided
Please do
right
try.
now, one person cannot just forcibly throw us out. After
No,
the
since
marriage
this
was
is
broken,
property, since the property is his, you cannot forcibly stay inside that property.
my lord, I wasn't brought into that home forcibly. Our legal marriage was done.
Your marriage with the son, fight it out with the son.
Yes.
The
You have to claim
father-in-law's
against
house,
your husband.
cannot
I
have.
don't have any claim against anyone, my lord. I haven't filed even a single case.
You
Even
have
this,
no-
I have the medical documents.
No, you can always file.
You-
Nobody is standing in the way of your filing
No, no,
proceedings
I'm not.
against anybody.
My
That
lord,
is
I
your
wouldn't do
right.
that, my lord.
That is your right. You
For the
can
family
proceed.
prestige, I wouldn't do that.
If this is the family prestige that you are concerned of, then please maintain the dignity of yourself, of your husband, of your child, of the profession, especially since you are of the same profession.
Yes, my lord. And I've been doing that, my lord.
Please do it
Steadfastly.
and find out a place where you can move out.
My lord, that would take certainly some time. It is, I just cannot.
I can give you a month's time.
My lord, more than that. 1 month, I have in this cold season, my lord, I have a young child, and that too
He
after that
70
cesarean operation, my lord. There were
75
multiple
years old, has
complications.
been suffering from cancer. He have recovered from the cancer, my lord.
My lord, my husband has spent.
No matter how much you make submission, since the owner of the house is not willing to keep you there,
My lord.
it cannot be helped.
Then, my lord, let the owner of the house go to the civil court for eviction if that is what she
Section
wants.
27 bars the civil court, my lord. Kindly come to the section 27. No civil court shall have jurisdiction.
If you insist upon this type of provision, then I'll be compelled
No, my
to
lord,
pass a mandate.
No, my lord, I'm not insisting. I'm
Please
merely,
do not. Find out a place. I'll give you a month's time.
my lord, I'm
Please
merely
find out.
beseeching your lordship, my lord.
Nothing
I'm
to
not insisting.
beseech. Please come.
Grateful. দাঁড়ান। এক মাস মধ্যে খালি করার
My lord, on the basis of the complaint, police has started a specific case and charge sheet also started.
My lord, I rely upon some judgment, my lord. এটা just এটা দিও।
Order here কিন্তু আপনি জানেন কি করবেন?
মানে থার্ড it will help you.
Judgment.
না না তুমি আসলে কি নেই no jurisdiction.
The petitioners are senior citizens. The son of the petitioner, not the son, one of the sons of the petitioner has been impleaded as respondent number 6 in the instant writ petition, and the wife of the respondent number 6, that is the daughter-in-law of the petitioners, has been impleaded as respondent number 7. Step. The petitioner number 1
এটা একটু রেখে দিও এপ্রিভিড সার্ভিস
claims to be suffering from cancer. Step. Allegation is that the petitioners were forcibly driven out of their own house. Stop. The petitioners were tortured in the hands of the private respondents. Stop. The petitioners approached the where have you mentioned that you approached the tribunal?
Para number 27, my lord.
27.
Page 15.
But then you have to show documents. I will see it. I'll give you time.
আপনি গিয়েছিলেন তো
27.
কাছে?
The petitioners approached the concerned subdivisional officer, Raiganj,
পিটিশন আছে কি
under the provisions of the maintenance
petition is
and welfare of parents and senior citizens act, 2007. Show me the document.
my lord that document is at the home at Uttar Dinajpur, my lord. He have approached কোথায় document কোথায় ওটা বাড়িতে আছে বাড়িতে at Uttar Dinajpur cannot be produced man.
The petitioners are unable to produce any documents in support of the said submission, allegedly because all the documents are inside the house at Uttar Dinajpur, and the petitioners right now do not have any access to the said house. Stop. Prayer has been made to permit the petitioners to reside in their own house peacefully. Stop. Complaint was lodged before the Raiganj police station,
Grateful, my lord.
but no action is reported to have been taken. Paragraph. The learned advocate representing the respondent number 6 denies the allegation of cruelty. Stop. It has been submitted that the private respondent is a practicing advocate in the district of Uttar Dinajpur.
Order pass হচ্ছে প্লিজ আস্তে কি বলছেন
Stop. He had spent considerable amount in raising construction of the subject house where the petitioners are currently residing. Stop.
but it is a false statement, my lord. The construction has been developed by the petitioner itself.
Where did the petitioner work? Number 1.
Petitioner is retired from the transport department of West Bengal.
North Bengal State and
See?
North Bengal State.
No, North Bengal transport.
NBSTC.
Hmm.
Achha. And your age is 42. Achha. The respondent number 7 is also a practicing advocate in the district of Uttar Dinajpur. Stop. It has been submitted that the private respondents do not have any alternative accommodation, and they are not in a position to vacate the house at present. Stop. It has been submitted that the petitioners may approach the civil court for relief. Stop. Paragraph. On a query from the court, learned advocate representing the respondent number 6 submits that his client is currently aged about 42 years. 42 years. Stop. The petitioner number 1 is a retired employee of the North Bengal State Transport Corporation, and he is getting pension at present. He is now, after being driven out from his own house, he is currently residing with his other son, who is a practicing advocate of this court.
No, my lord. There is some correction, my lord. He residing in separate rented premises.
Acha, he is staying in a separate rented premises, and the other son is
He
also
residing somewhere else.
he is also not looking after the son.
He is giving some some fooding and clothing, my lord, but nothing more than that.
Acha, ঠিক আছে. The petitioners fervently pray for a direction by which they can reside at their own house safely and peacefully without any interference by the private parties. Stop. Learned advocate representing the state respondents has obtained instruction from the inspector in charge, Raiganj Police Station, signed on 12th September 2024, which mentions that the complaint lodged by the petitioners on 1st August 2024 was considered, and in response thereto, Raiganj PS case number 773/24, dated 1st August 2024, under sections has been registered.
Under section.
The investigation is proceeding. Stop. Paragraph. To allow the learned as the petitioners are fairly senior citizens and they are feeling unsafe to remain in their own house in the presence of the private respondents, and especially because of the allegation of cruelty leveled against them, the private respondents ought to find out an alternative accommodation for themselves. Stop. The petitioners are legally entitled to enjoy their own property according to their own wish and desire. Stop. The matter stands adjourned till 17th of February 2025. Stop. Learned advocate representing the state respondents shall come up with an updated report on the adjourned date. Stop. In the meantime, the private respondents shall take steps to find out an alternative accommodation to shift out from the house of the petitioners, so that the petitioners can reside in their house safely and peacefully.
My lord, affidavit of service
Service is taken on record.
and I am relying upon some judgment of the different courts, my lord.